fucking middle of the fucking car.
Keep seeing this subtraction. The fate is just the laws of the track. You never know. Past tracks, fast lane, cold.
What's going on, guys?
Ease this pain with these painkillers. Home won't be sold to be stained to obtain my wealth. I couldn't learn from his mistakes. And I ain't never been scared. The reality is
sorry.
far.
Yeah, bye. See ya, please, motherfucker.
All I want
Yeah.
is to have
Yeah,
fun.
drive away.
Have a
Please
good
drive.
night.
Yeah, see ya, fuckface.
What's going on?
Motherfucker.
We're going to casino, man. Fuck that guy.
Fuck that guy.
100 kisses?
Oh
No
my
husband
god.
kisses.
That was
No
wild.
husband kisses.
Did he punch me in the face?
No husband kisses.
Wow, that
Mike's
was
got the
wild.
next round.
He definitely punched me in the face.
Oh my god. That was some fucked up shit.
Yeah, Sally, it was really wild.
It really was some fucked up shit. I also made nice face my hair.
You guys are just like, yeah, that was pretty wild. I didn't know this guy just jacked me in the fucking face.
No.
Alright, let's go. Hey man, is the casino still open?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, we're going.
Oh,
High five.
high five.
High five.
You know I want to finish it with my hands.
Dude, trust me, man. You always have living punches in the face. It's a lot. It's a lot. I have that face where people just like to hit me.
And kiss your back 100 times.
Yeah, I kissed your back 30 times, bro. What you mean, bro? What you mean, bro? Fuck you, man. Hit me in the fucking face. Piece of shit. That guy was just strung on crack. Oh yeah, we're gonna pull up right here, and we're gonna fucking have some fun.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
Alright, guys, you have a good one.
Hey, thank you, brother.
Yep.
You have a
Yeah,
great night.
thank you.
I appreciate it, Mark.
Yep.
My head. Woo. Thank you.
Yep. You guys have a good one. You gotta close it, bud.
Oh, I'm in.
Pull it. There you go.